Want to know why some stories captivate while others fall flat? It's not magic, it's structure. Let me show you the 3-act formula that Hollywood, best-selling authors and top creators use. First of all, we have the Act 1, which is a setup and is 1/3 of a story. Basically, you introduce your main character or the subject, who they are and what the normal world looks like. You also establish what they want, so their goal, and you make it very specific and kind of relatable. Then we have Act 2, which is the confrontation. It's another 1/3 of the story, and you basically show different attempts to solve the problem. Try, fail, repeat. You raise the stakes and see what happens if they don't succeed, or maybe it's even getting worse. It's also important to include a midpoint twist, something that changes their understanding of solving the problem. And in the best case, you end it with an all is lost moment, the darkest point where success seems absolutely impossible. Then we have Act 3, which is the resolution, which is another 1/3 of the story. You basically show the final attempt using what they've learned throughout the whole process of their failures and show how they finally resolve the problem. This also includes the climax, the biggest moment of conflict and tension. And most importantly, you demonstrate the transformation that the character has gone through and how he has changed. As an example, in Finding Nemo, Act 1 is when Nemo gets taken. This is the setup. Act 2 is when Marlin searches and faces obstacles on his way. That's the confrontation. And then we have Act 3, when Marlin finally rescues Nemo and learns to let go. If you want to learn more about storytelling, comment framework in the comments and I will send you my free storytelling framework template.